Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If the Ring app is showing a camera preview not available message, it can be frustrating when you're trying to quickly check your front door or view a live feed. This issue can occur because of temporary network interruptions, app related glitches, weak Wi Fi signals, or communication problems between the Ring camera and the Ring app. The good part is that this message doesn't necessarily mean your device has failed. In many cases, a few simple troubleshooting steps can restore the camera preview and get everything working normally again. In this video, I'll walk you through several things you can try to fix the problem. Try these. Step 1. Check the internet connection used by the Ring camera. Step 2. Close and reopen the Ring app connected to the Ring camera. Step 3. Verify Wi-Fi signal strength for the Ring camera. Step 4. Restart the Ring camera and refresh the Ring app. Step 5. Update the Ring app used with the Ring camera. Step 6. Open live view again and test the Ring camera preview.